Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an incredibly important topic to discuss: the pros and cons of going vegan. Whether you're curious about adopting a vegan lifestyle yourself, or you're simply interested in learning more about it, this video is going to give you all the information you need. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive right in. There are many benefits to going vegan, guys. Let me break it down for you. First and foremost, by eliminating animal products from your diet, you're making a positive impact on animal welfare. You're saying no to animal cruelty and promoting a more compassionate world. Isn't that amazing? Secondly, going vegan can do wonders for your health. Plant-based diets are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that can boost your immune system, increase your energy levels, and even help maintain a healthy weight. Plus, you'll be reducing your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Who doesn't want that? Lastly, going vegan is an eco-friendly choice. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. By choosing plant-based alternatives, you're reducing your carbon footprint and helping to combat climate change. It's like taking a stand for the planet, one delicious meal at a time. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin. Going vegan may have some challenges, especially if you're used to a traditional diet. One of the main concerns people have is getting enough protein. However, it's important to note that there are plenty of plant-based protein sources like tofu, beans, lentils, and quinoa. With a little planning, you can easily meet your protein needs. Another potential challenge is dining out in social situations. Not all restaurants offer vegan options, and it can be awkward to explain your dietary choices to others. However, with the growing popularity of veganism, more and more establishments are adapting to cater to plant-based eaters. Plus, it's a great opportunity to show your friends and family how delicious vegan food can be. Lastly, going vegan may require some adjustments in terms of meal planning and grocery shopping. You'll need to familiarize yourself with new ingredients and recipes. It can be overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll discover a whole world of culinary delights. And there you have it, folks. The pros and cons of going vegan. It's a personal decision that involves ethical, health, and environmental considerations. Ultimately, it's all about finding a balance that works for you and aligns with your values. I hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.